Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best brad nailers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Bostitch BTFP12233 Pneumatic Brad Nailer. This Bostitch BTFP12233 features one of the best tip designs you're going to find. It features Bostitch Smart Point technology, which incorporates a smaller nose design on the nailer, making it easy to place nails accurately. Unlike other brad nailers, you don't have to compress the tip to fire nails with it as well, which improves the accuracy and prevents denting of the workpiece. With the Bostitch BTFP 12233, you can fire nails from 5/8 of an inch to 2 to 1/8 of an inch length easily. It will fire every nail flush into the wood, even when you're toenailing with it. Nail jams are something you'll not be dealing with a lot when you use this Bostitch nailer, but if you ever had to deal with one, the BTFP 12233 features a tool-free jam release lever mechanism you can use to clear the jam easily. Moving on, at number 4, we have the WEN 61721 Pneumatic Brad Nailer. The magazine is capable of holding 106 nails, which reduces downtime because you'll hardly run out of nails, and there's a transparent window in the magazine that acts like a little gauge, helping you know if you're running low of nails. Loading the magazine is also very easy because it's spring-loaded. It's an oil-lubricated brad nailer, that's why the exhaust port is located at the back to prevent it from contaminated or staining your material. The exhaust port can also be rotated so you can direct it away from your face or whatever you don't want the air to come in contact with. A jammed nail can cause a whole lot of frustration and increase downtime, that's why this WEN 61721 comes equipped with a tool-less nose latch to open up the nose and clear the jam. It comes with a 1/4 inch NPT air inlet fitting you can use to hook it to your air compressor. Overall, the WEN 61721 Pneumatic Brad Nailer is definitely one of the best performing budget units you can get for your woodworking projects. At number 3, we have the Numex SBR50 budget option. A good brad nailer shoots brad nails without jamming, and the Numex SBR50 does that effectively. It comes with all of the important features you need in a tool like this. The operating pressure is between 60 psi to 100 psi. This you want to adjust according to the thickness and hardness of the wood you are nailing. Apart from adjusting the compressor pressure to fit the type and thickness of the wood, the Numex SBR50 has a depth of drive adjustment dial just beneath the handle to enable you adjust how deep you sink the brads into the wood. The exhaust is located at the rear of the nailer and the direction is adjustable so you can direct it away from your face. With the Numex SBR50, you can sink brads ranging from 5/8 of an inch to 2 inches in length, which really increases the range of applications you can use it for. In terms of ergonomics, the Numex SBR50 did not fall behind in any noticeable area. The handle is well designed, with a rubber wrapping around it to make it comfortable to hold for long periods of time. When holding the tool, you'll also discover that it is well balanced. WEN really took care of most of the little details, making sure it's good for the end user. At number 2, we have the PorterCable BN200C Brad Nailer. PorterCable brings something else to the table, with their BN200C Brad Nailer. They incorporated a maintenance-free motor in it, which means you don't need to oil the nailer in order to maintain it and keep it working in good condition. And since you don't have to oil it, you eliminate any risk or chance of staining the trim or furniture you're working on. This singular feature, though possessed by a few other nailers, is what makes the PorterCable BN200C among the few that stands out in the crowd. To get the BN200C firing properly, you need to set your compressor to a pressure range of 70 to 120 psi depending on how much force you need. Provided the pressure is within that range, the nailer will fire. I personally would set it somewhere in the middle, preferably at 100 psi. As for firing modes, the BN200C features only one firing mode, which is the sequential firing mode. There is no contact or bump fire mode. The BN200C can drive brad nails ranging from 5/8 inch in length to 2 inches. So, you can be sure that it's suitable for any kind of project which will require you to use those size of nails. And finally at number 1, we have the Metabo HPT NT50AE2. The nose should be narrow enough so you can be very precise and place nails more accurately with it. Although that of the Metabo HPT NT50AE2 isn't the narrowest nose I've seen, it definitely fits the description. It also comes with a no-mar tip that can be attached to the nose to prevent damage to the workpiece. Metabo equipped the NT50AE2 with a solid magazine capable of holding up to 100 brads. This will definitely reduce tool downtime because, the more nails the magazine can hold at once, the longer you can work with it without reloading. The high-capacity magazine is definitely a plus for the NT50AE2. I would also not forget to mention the dual firing modes of the NT50AE2. With just the flip of a switch by the side of the tool just close to the trigger, you can change the firing mode from sequential to bump firing, and vice versa, depending on what you prefer. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.